Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Today's video is just going to be me doing a breakdown of all of my Christmas decor. Sorry if you hear my little baby in the background. She is in her walker doing her thing. So you'll probably hear noises occasionally. I just wanted to film this intro really quickly. I did already start taking some of my tree apart, but I did film clips of it. So I'll include that here. But if you're interested in knowing how I decorated like my home for this year, since I didn't do a Christmas home tour, I will insert a couple of clips of the footage I did get, or like pictures that I've posted if you don't already follow me on Instagram. Other than that, I do have some exciting and huge news coming soon. So if you're wanting to know what that is, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me over on Instagram at MelissaEmilyV, because I will make the announcement there when the time comes. With that said, let's go ahead and finish breaking this down before my husband kills me, because this is literally almost the end of January and my Christmas decor is still up. $5 and I bought them in the blush as well. These came with some blush lids, and then I bought a bigger size like this in gray and also blush, and then I got this bigger size here. I'm not sure, these were $5 each as well, and it came with the lids. I got gray and blush. All the ribbon that I cut up, and this is just like the perfect amount, and it fits here perfectly. So I use this ribbon year after year. This year I decided to cut it because it would just make things easier, and I will just pick up a couple of more that are just on the roll for the years that I do want it on the roll, but for now it's just going to go in here. So we'll just see how it goes as we continue to break down. Maybe I'd want to keep everything together, but I'm thinking I may just end up separating it. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna go ahead and just do everything separate for right now, and then once I'm done separating everything, if I decide I want to put them all together in a bin, just to make like this theme, since I know everything that I use, the amount that was perfect for the tree and everything like that, I may do that later towards the end. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do them separate, and yeah, let's go ahead and finish up. So this is the theme that I'm going with for my daughter's nursery and also her first birthday. So I thought it was so special that my bestie Christy got me this ornament, and I'm obsessed with it. And I'm going to be writing on the bottom 2019, so I know it was from that year. But yeah, that's what that one looks like. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and take, the sun is unbelievable. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and take off all the special ornaments that I got for all of my family members and just place them on this box, so that way I know for next year that these were the special ornaments that we picked out for 2019.